So I'm a historian of religions. I'm not really a parapsychologist, but I work with people's extreme religious experiences, which often involve parapsychological phenomena. So really what I try to do is understand people's religious experiences through as many angles as I can, and parapsychology is one of those angles. My methods are primarily textual methods. I read texts or I interview people, and I try to identify patterns in a very large textual or interview data set, and try to figure out what's constructed by the culture or the historical moment, and then what might be more universal, more a reflection of human nature or the human spirit. So my methods are primarily comparative in terms of collecting large data sets, identifying patterns, making classifications, and then drawing conclusions or creating theories out of that. Yeah, I walk our dog. I mean, something physical. So my advice I train graduate students, I train Ph.D. students in the study of religion, and many of them are profoundly interested in parapsychology. And my advice is always to wrap your parapsychological interest in some broader field that has more public reception or more professional acceptance, so that you can still follow your passions, but also actually get employment and be able to work in the world. So I call it the Clark Kent Superman method. You might be really interested in Superman, but you still have to be Clark Kent. You have to go to the Daily Planet, and you have to look boring and write about things that may not excite you. But you can always get in the phone booth and do your Superman thing.